Ready to supercharge your Carrot website and unlock the power of precise lead tracking with Follow Up Boss. Let's dive into how to seamlessly install the Follow Up Boss pixel code on your Carrot site in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Follow Up Boss account. Next, navigate to the admin section located in the main menu. Typically on the left-hand side of your screen, click on Admin to access the administrative settings. Within the admin settings, locate the Integrations tab and select the API option. This will take you to the API key management area. Here, you'll find your Follow Up Boss pixel code. Select the entire code block and copy it to your clipboard. Now, head over to your Carrot website dashboard and locate the settings section. This is usually found in the main navigation menu of your Carrot admin panel. Within the settings, look for an area labeled Custom Scripts, Code Injection, or something similar that allows you to add code to the header of your website. Paste the Follow Up Boss pixel code you copied earlier into the designated area. Make sure you paste the entire code block without any modifications. Finally, click the Save Changes button to ensure the pixel code is saved to your Carrot website. And that's it. Now, you'll be able to track your Carrot website leads and conversions directly within Follow Up Boss, allowing you to optimize your marketing and sales strategies with data-driven insights.